In the following clip, former Chief Justice of India M.N. Venkatachaliah, while speaking at Moneylife Foundation's third annual RTI Lecture, explains why India's democratic model of government often draws the ire of criticism but is still revered as a robust example of democracy.
Long ago, someone described India as a functioning anarchy. The Global Competitiveness Report said that India is third in the world in the matter of availability of scientific talent, fourth in the world in the size of its domestic market, and fifth in the world in its potential to access international markets. But in India's overall competitiveness was placed at 50. But it's true that India is in the forefront of nations achieving economic breakthrough, not by exhausting their natural resources or by the raw muscle power of the factory, but by the brain power as a catalyst of progress.